Is your car a ticking time bomb waiting for an expensive repair? In this video, I'll share the ultimate car care checklist, simple steps that can save you thousands in mechanic bills. These aren't complicated tasks, just quick habits every driver should know. You paid good money for your vehicle, so why let it fall apart from simple neglect? Let's start with what happens when you don't care for your car. Modern cars need clean fluids, proper air, and good connections to run right. Ignore those, and you're asking for trouble. Rev up your engines. Let's get started. Skipping an oil change might seem harmless, but it can destroy your engine and your wallet. I've seen it firsthand. One customer ignored oil changes for 30,000 miles. The oil turned to sludge, and his engine became a $7,000 paperweight, all to save a few bucks. That small shortcut led to a massive, avoidable bill. It's not just oil. Old transmission fluid can ruin your gears, leaving you stranded and facing a costly rebuild. Neglecting coolant? That can warp your engine and cost more than the car is worth. Small, cheap maintenance now prevents huge, expensive failures later. Don't wait until you're stuck with a giant bill. Anyone can learn the basics. I'll show you step by step how to keep your car reliable and avoid these horror stories. Once a month, that's all I'm asking. Just 10 minutes of your time. This 10-minute routine is your first line of defense against unexpected car troubles. First up, tire pressure. Get a simple, cheap tire pressure gauge. It's a small investment that pays off big time. Properly inflated tires save you money on gas, make your tires last longer, and make the car safer to drive. It's a win-win situation. Next, we're going under the hood. First, the engine oil. This is the lifeblood of your car. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, stick it back in and pull it out again. It's a simple but crucial step. Look at the level and color. If it's low, top it off. If it's dark, you're overdue for a change. Don't ignore these signs. Now, check your other fluids in translucent reservoirs: coolant, brake fluid, power steering, and washer fluid. Each one plays a vital role. This isn't rocket science, it's just looking. A quick glance can tell you a lot. You're developing a baseline, spotting trouble before it becomes a disaster. Prevention is always better than cure. Finally, check your lights. A burnt-out bulb is a cheap fix but can get you an expensive ticket. Plus, it's a safety hazard. 10 minutes, once a month. That's all it takes to be an informed car owner. It's a small effort for a big payoff. You're not just waiting for a warning light to tell you that you're already in deep trouble. You're staying ahead of the game. You're taking control and saving yourself money and headaches down the road. It's a proactive approach. It's the smartest thing you can do for your car. A little time now saves a lot of time and money later. Let's move on to the next step. Your car will thank you for it. You've mastered the monthly check, and that's a huge step toward keeping your car reliable. Now every 3 months, it's time to dig a little deeper and give your car some extra attention. Start with your engine air filter, which is often overlooked but absolutely essential. A clogged filter chokes your engine, killing gas mileage and making your car work harder than it should. The good news? Changing it is easy and takes just a few minutes. Hold it up to the light. If you can't see through it, it's time for a new one. Next, let's talk about your battery. Check for corrosion on the terminals, which can sneak up on you and cause starting problems. Clean it off with a wire brush and a little baking soda paste to keep your electrical system healthy. Now inspect your belts and hoses. These are the lifelines of your engine. Look closely for cracks, fraying, or any signs of wear that could spell trouble down the road. If a belt snaps, you could instantly lose power steering, your alternator, or even your water pump, leaving you stranded. Squeeze your hoses to check for mushiness or cracks, which are signs they're about to fail. A blown hose can cause your engine to overheat in minutes, leading to expensive repairs. This quarterly check helps you spot wear and tear items before they become major problems. By checking and replacing these parts every 3 months, you stay in control and avoid surprise breakdowns. You're not waiting for a failure on the highway or a call to a tow truck. This is proactive maintenance, not just reacting to problems. With these habits, you'll keep your car running smoothly, reliably, and ready for every journey ahead. Some things you can't check in your driveway. Once a year, get a professional inspection. You're paying for trained eyes and equipment to catch what you might miss. Be a smart customer. Ask for a full vehicle inspection and a prioritized list of repairs. Ask questions about recommended repairs. A good mechanic will explain. If a big repair is recommended, get a second opinion. The goal is to gather information, not spend money. Find a good independent mechanic. Avoid big chains with sales quotas. Budget for a yearly inspection. It's the best insurance policy you can buy. it gives you a complete picture of your vehicle's health. Let's move on to your roadmap to savings. We've covered a lot, but it's simple when you break it down. I've put together the ultimate car care calendar. Every month, the 10-minute lifesaver. Check tire pressure, oil, fluids, and lights. Every 3 months, the quarterly deep dive. Check air filter, battery, belts, and hoses. Once a year, the professional checkup. Get a full inspection from a trusted mechanic. Download the free checklist in the description below. It turns car care into a simple, satisfying routine. Following this calendar saves you thousands over your car's life. It's about protecting your investment and ensuring safety. You have the power to take control. Be a smart, proactive car owner. Download the checklist, set reminders, and make this a part of your life. Your car and your wallet will thank you. So there you have it, the simple guide to keeping your car on the road and your money in the bank. By following this calendar, you're taking control and preventing failures. Download the free checklist and make it your new best friend. Taking care of your car is financially responsible and saves you money. Be proactive, not reactive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.